Hi everyone, my name is Taiwo. Welcome to Data Server. I'm going to take you through this application. This application is very important and essential for data analysis level 4 exam preparation. You are guaranteed 90% pass grade if you purchase this application. And you can get a copy from pay.com data server. We go to the next slide to introduce this application how and illustrate how this application work. So bear with me and come with me. So in a minute, I'm going to load the application. Before that, let me take you through 2 or 3 slides to show you the importance of this application. So the first slide is going to be about what this application quiz tools all about. As you can see from AI auto test mode, I'm going to read that to you. For those of you that want to use this application on the go, assessment of apprenticeship level 4 data analysis. This video tutorial is designed for any aspiring candidate enrolled in apprenticeship level 4 data analysis. Prepare for the assessment to pass the exam with flying colors and qualify as a data analysis as required by the professional awarding bodies that authorize certification of data analysis. So that's the first slide on this page. And what we're trying to say about this application, just to give you heads up about how to use it. So the next slide, we're going to give you what is all about data analysis job description. And I'm going to read that straight away to you. Data analysis job description in brief. The primary role of data analysis is to interpret and analyze data. This entails collecting, organizing, and studying data to provide business insight. Data analysis are typically involved with managing, cleansing, abstracting, and aggregating data and conducting various analytical studies on the data. So, this is a job description for those of you as a potential data analysis person, because the thing is, data analysis is big, is complex, and at the same time is flexible. It depends on the individual. If you have passion and you concentrate, and you have to understand all the basic requirements. And the next slide, before I go further, I'm going to give you a bit more brief summary about what data analysis is all about. Let me go to the third slide. And the third slide is basically entails what we are talking about, this application quiz tools. And the essence of this application is based on this third slide, exam syllabus breakdown. So what is the exam syllabus breakdown is all about? These are the modules divided in data analysis level 4, where you need to understand. And this particular syllabus is breakdown as follows: types of data and data life cycle, structured and unstructured data, requirement for data analysis, quality issues for data analysis, compliance and audit consideration, data structure and implementation, database design and data architecture, domain context for data analytics. All these 8 bullet points are the core module expected to learn during your study to qualify as a data analytics person. So the next slide is the main application that we want to talk about. So I'm going to go to the next slide, and I will show you how this application to quiz work. So this first slide is divided into 3 tabs. The first tab is DA Level 4 Insight. This tab show the rules of the Data Analysis Level 4 QA quiz. In a summary, I'm not going to read everything. I'm just going to summarize it. To start with, in a re-exam, you are expected to have 60 minutes for 40 questions. Apparently, that is equate to 1 minute, 30 seconds per question. And you have to be very clever and get ready and prepare in order to finish the 40 question in less than 60 minutes. And the most important aspect of it is for you to prepare and to understand, because sometimes you might end up spending more than 2 minutes in one particular question. But if you have this kind of application at hand and you've already go through the rigorous reading and understanding, you are guaranteed 90% pass grade. So I'm going to take you to the next slide. And the next slide is just telling us about the in-depth summary of every each answer of this 40 question. For example, I'm not going to take too much of your time. I'm just going to go straight forward to the quiz tab. The first question on the quiz tab tally with the total number of 40 questions in this answer summary, because we structure it and tailor it towards as if you are in the exam mode. I'm going to click on you can see the question number one is the same thing and in the quiz tab, which I'm going to click now. So I'm going to read that question one to you. Which data quality dimension ensure that data has undergo cleansing to ensure it has the qualities of being both correct and useful? So in other words, for you to understand this application, I'm going to go back to QA preparation, which is the answer summary tab. So the first question is the same question in that QA quiz. So the answer summary which I'm going to read to you is this answer that will give you a clue what is the answer of that question of question one in the QA quiz tab. The data quality dimension that ensure data has undergo cleansing to be both correct and useful is data accuracy and validity. This dimension focuses on the validity of the data and its alignment with real-world value, ensuring that it is reliable and relevant for its intended use. So you can see we have already have a clue what is the answer. If you go back to our data QA tab, you can see the answer for this question one is validity, which I'm going to click and I will click submit. And also I will read the question two, which is the same thing as the answer summary. Which is the most appropriate way to open a test file in Python? If you go to our QA preparation answer summary tab, you can see the question number two is the same question in that QA quiz tab. Answer summary, which I'm going to read now for question number two, is using wait ensure that the file is properly closed after a suite finishes. Even if an error occurs, the mode R opens the file for reading. You can change the mode to W for writing, A for appending, and other mode as needed. So the answer is glaring in front of us. So all we need to do, we go back to the data analysis QA tab. As you can see, the answer, if you read it carefully with me, when I was reading it, you can see that the answer is wait. And I will click submit. But for the purpose of demonstration's sake, I'll show you two answers because this has comprised 40 questions that tally with the QA in the answer summary reading. But I'm not going to do more than two and to take you. So if you are interested, you want to purchase, you will see all the 40 questions. But in the QA data analysis tab, we have 5 questions. Because I'm a qualified data analysis, I understand all this question. I'm going to use my initiative to complete the rest 3 questions. And number 3 question read is the process of identifying and removing error and inconsistencies from data in order to enhance the quality of data is known as what? I know the answer, and the answer we have 4 options: data verification, data validation, data cleaning, data profiling. The answer is data cleaning, which I'm going to select, and I will click submit. And the next question, which is question number 4, which SQL statement return a result set of record from one or more table? I know the answer as well. We have 4 options: select, count, where, round. The answer is select. I'm going to click select and I will click submit. And the last question, which is question number 5 for demonstration purpose, as I said earlier on, is only 5 questions. just to demonstrate to you, for those of you and you are interested. What is the main purpose of data integration from different sources? We have the following four options: to provide user with a unified view of data, to increase the size of the data set, to reduce the accessibility of data, to identify the outlier. The answer, which is known to me, but I'm going to deliberately select the wrong answer just to show you how this application quiz tools work. So I'm going to click on to identify the outlier, which is not the right answer. Immediately I click on submit. It's going to give me the calculation of my score. So as you can see, you score 4 out of 5 and your percentage grade is 80%, which is a pass grade. Fine, this is what I expect. You guys that purchase this application, you are looking at minimum of 90% score grade, because if you study and you understand especially the preparation answer summary tab, you will be rest assured that your guarantee excellent grade in your examination for analysis level 4. So the good thing about this application, you can click on show answers and it's going to tell me which one I get wrong. Question 5, that's the answer I deliberately get wrong, which is what is the main purpose of data integration from different sources? I selected to identify the outlier, and that is the wrong answer. And this application will give you the correct answer for you to understand and read again and read again and try and practice. So the correct answer for this particular question 5 is to provide user with a unified view of data. So moving forward, this is what this application is all about. So to show you exam mode, that you can use this application for exam mode, I'm going to click on restart button. So it's going to refresh and bring us back to the main page of the application tools quiz. So I'm going to click on data analysis level 4 quiz tab. So we are now in quiz tab. What I need to do, if you want to practice re-exam mode, as I said earlier, is 60 minutes for 40 questions, and the pass grade expected of you is 56 minutes. But if you go for this application, you're going to get 90% guarantee. So I'm going to click on the count. I can, if supposing I want to do the re-exam, I'm going to put 60 minutes here to time myself and test myself if I'm ready for the exam. But notwithstanding, I'm going to just use it as an example. We have 5 questions. So I'm going to put 30 seconds just for testing sake. So I will click start. Then I will start entering the answer. There's no need for me to read through it. I just want to use it as a sample for you to understand. The first one, I will select validity for the answer. And the second one, I will select wait. And the third one, I will get it wrong deliberately. I know the answer, but I just deliberately to get it wrong. And the fourth one, I will get it right. And I would, oh God. Okay, as you can see, I I'm about to do the number 4 question and the time alert pop up. This is what I'm saying. So if you are preparing for your exam, you have to be very smart and ready and watch the time. So your allotted duration time ended. So I'm going to click immediately. I click on OK. The submit button will disappear and it's not going to accept this tag. This number 4 question. So apparently, I think it's going to show me that I got 2 out of which is going to be about 40%. So I can click on show answer. You see, this is what the timing do to you. And the reason why it's not showing, you say I got the application state you scored 2 out of 5. Your percentage grade is 40, which is not expected of what we want. So apparently, just for trying purpose and tested. So and it prompted me with one correction. Question number 3. The process of identifying and removing error and inconsistency from data in order to enhance the quality of data is known as what? And the answer is data cleaning, but I deliberately selected data verification just for demonstration purposes. Now you can print if you want to print, or you go to the answer summary, you read through everything, and the beauty about all the 40 questions about this application, you refresh, you practice as many as you want at your pace. And the beauty about this application, you have bonus PDF for answer summary preparation that you can read on the go. However, this application is compatible with any phone you can think of, be it old Android, iPhone operating system, anything, and all your PC, notebook, laptop, mention it, is compatible. All you need to do, download it, save it to your whatever device you want to use it. On the go, you can use it. You test yourself and you prepare for your exam. You excel. And for those of you outside UK, you can still make use of this application because the latest data analysis tools in 2024 is the same thing across the world. It's only the little bit system changed from one country to another in terms or because of a language. But if you can think of the top five, you are thinking of Power BI, R Studio, Python, SQL, Tableau. All those applications are what they use for data analysis, and it's the same concept all over the world, be it America, Asia, Africa, other parts of Europe. So grab your copy. This application will make your life better and easier. And also, before you know, you will be part of the AI 21st century professional because think of it, the AI algorithm, the data is at the back end driving AI. All this artificial intelligence is down to data connected to all AI. So if you are a qualified data analyst, you can unleash your potential to get more job opportunity. So I'm going to go to the last slide that will show you where to get this application once again. If you go to payip.com/data server, you can download your copy at a token amount of money, which is going to be save you time and save you money because sometimes if someone did not prepare, if you fail the exam, you have to pay to retake the exam. So is sky is limit. You can unleash your potential, get to where you want to get to in life. Especially data analysis is very lucrative job that you can get up to 6 figure if you are very good in this or this latest application. So good luck for those of you aspiring to become data analysis person as a professional. This is very good for you to use this application to move to higher grade in life. Thank you for watching and come back for more educative program. And also you can call us if you want to customize anything for your organization. If you want to reach us, you can reach us on dataserver2024@gmail.com and subscribe to our channel. I remain your style from Data Server. Thank you and stay blessed. Bye.